Hello, my name is Etienne Gashababa. This is my Computer Science 317 final term project, which is a video sharing site made with Node.js, MySQL, and Handlebars and Express.js. This is not the first time I have worked on an Express.js site that using Bootstrap and such. This is not my first time going about it, but this is the first time I've kind of dug deeper into the process and really tried to get down into what makes it work. I wasn't sorry. I wasn't able to get most things done on time. I was able to get the finishing touches on time, but I was able to get most of the core stuff to what makes this website work, like registration, user stuff, videos, posting and such. I was able to get that stuff on time functional, but there's some stuff that's missing. But what I have here I consider to be mostly done. But if at a later date I could probably actually use this to continually improve on this site. Like if I want to use it for another project, I could take this work, I can use it for something else. Because I think what I've done with this is really good, and I want to thank the professor for his tutorials. They were extremely helpful in helping me to get through this, especially with the databases. I hated those. It was horrible. Anyways, so let's start. So for this demo, I've went ahead and cleared the database before I show everything off. So there's no posts, there's no comments, there's no sessions, there's no users, nothing. This is completely fresh, except for the auto incremental entries, but that doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and register. I'm gonna put in a name. That's my Discord name. It should be noted I did forget to put the text in for this, but I can't really be asked to mess with it now. So, and that says the wrong thing, but don't worry. So it'll go ahead and send you a flash message saying if you're registered, you can go ahead and log in. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Focus on this first. Okay, and we are logged in. So there's still nothing on the front page. I did have code that was supposed to add a random video to the document to show hey, this is a sample video we have on our website. You can watch this. I wasn't able to get that working though, because I'm not sure how to pass I wasn't sure how to pass a single function instant returned value from a function to handlebars where it will stay the same. I don't know how to really work variables in handlebars, but I tried my best. So this is the profile. It's very bare bones, but it works. So this is where your posts would be. So we're going to go ahead and upload a video. I'm just going to name it something simple, like my cool video. And I'm going to give it a nice description. It's a cool video because it's less than 2 megabytes, but not really. So, and then we're going to upload a video. Turn the desktop audio on. So I'm going to grab an MP4 file. Let's say I want to upload something from game Corporate Clash, my gameplay from that game. I just happened to record. So I'm going to upload that, and it's uploaded. So where you usually find your own posts is going to be on your profile. Here, it just showed up. It's your timestamp and your video description and thumbnail. It should be noted I was not able to implement custom thumbnails on time for the deadline, but I just put in a placeholder thumbnail. And I have this aligned also where it'd be on a nice grid. If you had more than 2 videos, I can show that off later. But for now, I'm gonna go here. So this is the video. This is the video page. We're gonna go play this. I'm using a custom video player JS for this. I believe it's I believe if you just search JS video player, it's the first result. In Google, that's what I used. I use that to play this video. So, here we go. So, that's your title. This is your author. Now, these 2 options are special on this page in the case because these 2 do not show up if you're not the author. There's a function in there that checks if your user ID in the session is the same as the author. If it is, it'll show these 2 options. If it doesn't, they're not there. And this is your description and the comments. I'll try a nice comment. Just gonna post it, and here's the comment. You can click on the name of the picture, it'll take you to the person's profile, and I posted that, so that's cool. So, edit. Edit was not on the rubric. As far as I'm aware, it's not on the scoring rubric, but I went ahead and made it anyway. I didn't make it functional, though. I was not able to get it functional in time, but I was able to get the page in. I was able to get the endpoint working. Here. The endpoint, it's in the code. It's just that it doesn't function. It just doesn't function because I was having an error with because I had an error with the SQL module for Node.js. It's telling me you have a null argument or something. I didn't want to figure that out. But yeah, if that was working, you could just technically upload it here. You could change the details here, and it would update accordingly here. So yeah. Now, let's say I want to delete the video. Like, I like this video and all, but like, I want to get rid of it. Like, I want something new. So, delete. It's gone. It's not here anymore. Dead. It is not here. That's sad. But let's make another one. Let's make something like a few videos. I don't know what they're gonna be, but whatever they are, whatever they'll be. Okay. So I have 4 videos here. We're gonna go to my profile, check them out. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Okay. That was not intentional. I swear, I did not check this with more than 2 videos, but yeah. Oh wait, no, this is the profile page. Okay, no, that's intentional. This is the post page. Yeah, I should have mentioned this is your personal post page. You cannot. Nobody else can see this except you. It's for managing stuff. There's supposed to be a delete button here, but I only had time to add an edit button, so you can go to any of these videos. Get there, and let's go to my profile. So. This also still doesn't look that good, but it works. So, yeah, I got to these videos.
Hi, Mr. Flag. Obama!
Yep. Yep. And there you go. Those are all the videos. There's also supposed to be a settings page. I had the handlebars layout ready for it, but it was not done in time. I wasn't able to implement it into the routers in time for this presentation. So it would have basically it would have included being able to change your name, being able to change the picture, and some stuff like your email and other stuff like your email. Now, the rest of this page, of course, this was supposed to be a public post page that would have gotten an array of videos from the database and just presented them to here in the same fashion that I would have ideally liked the profile to present videos in, where it's like there's a card here that has a video here, and there's a card here that has a video here. That's how I would have envisioned I would have wanted this to work, but I wasn't able to get it to work in time. But regardless, the core functionality is there. It works. I think I'm pretty pleased with it. Yeah. And one more team. Let's also check like some backend stuff. So let's also check some backend stuff. Like, I want to show you some stuff of what happens in the backend if you try to do something a little funny with a person's videos. So this is not so. I'm not logged into this person's profile. You can see like the edit button isn't there anymore. You'll see I have no posts because it's a new account. So go to this video, nothing there. There's no edit button, there's no delete button. See? Right there, new comment. Very cool. Okay. And that's it, pretty much. I'm pretty proud of what I did for this site. It's actually opened my eyes a little bit in terms of web dev, because I haven't done this stuff in a good while, but I enjoyed doing it all the way through, even though I wasn't able to get some things done. I'm still proud of the work I did. I'm very, very happy with the end result. I think I might even use this for I may use this for another project if I feel like it, since this is a pretty good base in general. But yeah, I'm very satisfied with it. It's cool. And I want to thank the professor for giving me the opportunity to work on this, giving good enough tutorials. I was able to understand and implement the stuff that he was implementing to the site. I was able to implement to mine in my own fashion. Everything just worked out. Again, except the database stuff. That was a little painful because I kind of barely work in async. But I think it came out good in the end. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you another time.